Yes, ma'am.
About
Yes.
2 weeks back, we finished statistics. Now, I have a little activity that you need to do. You have to collect data about the tribals of Chhattisgarh. Which place?
Chhattisgarh.
Tribals
Chhattisgarh.
of Chhattisgarh.
And you have to prepare a tabular data based on it. And then you have to represent it in the form of a bar graph.
Okay, ma'am.
I also want you to represent it very creatively. You know, you can show a little bit of drawing here and there about the tribals and all. Fine. I'll be putting up the assignment. Today is Thursday, right? So,
Yes, ma'am.
by when can you finish it, children? Try to wind it up as soon as possible so that you can concentrate totally on your studies after that. When can you submit
Yes.
it to the? So, accordingly, I'll create an assignment in Google Classroom.
Ma'am, by next week.
Yes, ma'am.
1 week
Next
में मुझे
Thursday.
require?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Why do you want to spend 1 week over it, children? Can't you finish it in 2 days?
Hmm.
है ना? जितना the
Ma'am,
earlier you
Sunday.
finish it, the better.
Ma'am,
I'll do one thing. I'll create an assignment tomorrow, and I'll keep a deadline of Sunday. Try to wind it up by Sunday. Okay? And
sir, these
present it.
are
Try to incorporate as much of Chhattisgarh as much as you can in it. You can have little pictures or little drawings. Also good with drawing. Can do a bit of drawing. The bar graph, you
excuse me, ma'am.
a graph paper only, but presenting it has to be done very creatively, right? So I'll be putting up the assignment tomorrow, sometime in the afternoon, and you can submit it by Sunday evening.
Ma'am, could you repeat what you said, ma'am? I just
We
joined right
have
now.
to, there's a little activity that I'm giving them. We just finished statistics a few days back. So you have to collect data regarding it could be population of the tribals or whatever data is available about tribals of Chhattisgarh, specifically Chhattisgarh. Okay. And
Okay,
then
ma'am.
you have to draw up, you have to represent it in the tabular form, and then you have to make a bar graph out of it. Bar graph
Okay, ma'am.
done on a graph sheet only, graph paper only, and then you have to present it very creatively. For that, you can use, these tribal symbols of Chhattisgarh or something like that is related to Chhattisgarh.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll
Ma'am.
the assignment tomorrow, and the deadline would be Sunday evening. Wind it up.
Ma'am, the frequency table which we need to make, can we make it on an A4 page?
Yeah, that you have to make on an A4 page. That can't be made on,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
I wanted to ask something.
1 minute. There will be one sheet in which the data will be there, and you have to mention from which website you have taken it. And the data has to be authentic. Don't just, put any data and try to create a bar graph. Let the data be authentic. Write the name of the website as well. Okay. And on the second sheet, it will be the graph along with the creative presentation. Fine. Yes, Ishan, you are asking me something?
Ma'am, it was said that inequalities in a triangle is not coming.
It is not there.
Ma'am,
It
is
is
it?
deleted from the portion.
So,
Whatever is
ma'am,
deleted in the portion, that will not be asked in your papers.
so in the triangle chapter, we just have to study about the congruency rules.
Yeah. And yes, the
Okay.
isosceles triangle property and exterior angle
Yes.
property is also there. Except
Yes, ma'am.
inequalities, you have to do everything else.
Okay,
Okay, so
ma'am.
just keep that sheet in front of you when you're studying so that you know, okay, this chapter, this is deleted. I don't know. I don't need to go through it. We have done it in class, but you don't have to study it for your exams. Right?
Ma'am,
Okay. Now, yes, anything else?
and ma'am, about 10 point, ma'am, said that 10.5 is not coming from the
Yeah, it's
surface
not there
chapter.
in the exam. It's not there in the PT3 exam. It's clearly
Okay.
mentioned in the syllabus, right? 10.1 to
Yes,
10.4.
ma'am.
So accordingly, only
Ma'am, so
questions will be asked.
the concepts of 10.5 will be coming?
Uh, Not really. Not really.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Even if
Thank you,
something
ma'am.
is there, you could do it with an alternative method. And suppose you feel that your particular concept before 10.5, that theory portion is there and you feel you can use it, go ahead and use it, no problem. Because the method that I would be having in mind would be a method without those concepts. But if you feel the concepts can be used over there, you are free to use it. There is no foundation that you can't use that particular concept because it is not there for the exam.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Mm,
Okay,
ma'am,
now we were doing 10.5. We have the last question, and I think the 7th question is left.
I'm
So let's wind it.
12th.
Ha.
Ma'am, 8th and 12th. 8th and 12th.
Yeah.
excuse me,
8th and
ma'am.
12th, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the 11th question which we have done yesterday,
Hmm.
if it is asked in the exam, so can we use property of quadrilaterals in that?
I would prefer no beta, because if that question is given, I would say I would add an extra question over there, a line over there, prove that the given quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral. That statement is missing in the question. I think it should be there. So if I'm asking that question, I'll definitely mention over there, prove that the given quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral, and then those two angles are equal.
Maybe this question was like a trick question.
Okay, ma'am.
It's not a trick question. I feel it's more incomplete, my dear. It's
Excuse me,
incomplete,
ma'am.
that question. That statement should be there in the textbook. I don't know why it has been missed. Okay, let's continue.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, actually, we are having a PPT competition
Yes,
on
ma'am.
Monday.
Okay.
And we have Nukkad Natak on
Nukkad Natak
18th,
on 18th. So
Okay.
tomorrow. So can we just send you this project afterwards?
So when
After
should you
Monday.
send it, beta? After Monday. So Tuesday?
Tuesday or Wednesday. Yes,
Tuesday
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Tuesday
deadline
or
I'll
Wednesday
keep
will
it.
be fine.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
No problem. So
Thank
then
you,
I'll
ma'am.
put up the assignment, but the deadline will be Wednesday evening. Fine. Let's start with our class today. Okay, this is our question 12, which says that prove that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. I want you to draw the figure on your own. Don't look at the figure which is given in the document. First, draw the figure. Please use a compass, a pencil, and a ruler. Don't draw a very rough diagram. So what are we given over here?
Ma'am, that there's a
There's a
ABCD is a
cyclic
parallelogram.
parallelogram.
ABCD is like
We have
there
to
is
prove
a
that the
cyclic parallelogram.
opposite angles are 90 degrees.
Yes, you have to prove that it is a rectangle, and you are given that there is a cyclic parallelogram, right? So the figure would be something like this.
Can we just prove only one angle is
Yeah,
90
one
degrees?
angle is
because
sufficient. Now, in the
everything-
parallelogram, if one angle is 90, automatically all the other angles become 90. So you just need to prove that one particular angle is 90 degrees. So once you've drawn the figure, let's write down given. Are we done with the figure, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
What about the others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's write given ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. To prove that ABCD is a rectangle. Okay. So now, whenever you are given a cyclic quadrilateral, what is the first thing that comes to your mind?
Ma'am, opposite
Opposite
angles are equal.
Angles
Angles
are
are
supplementary.
Supplementary.
Yes, Tuti, can you tell me, beta, what do you understand by the word cyclic quadrilateral?
Cyclic quadrilaterals are the quadrilaterals whose all four vertices lie on the circle.
That is there. What else can you recollect about a
The
cyclic?
opposite sides of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary.
Opposite sides or angles?
Sorry, angles.
Yes,
Sorry.
opposite angles are supplementary. So we need to prove that it is a rectangle. So we'll first write down ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. This will be the proof. ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. Therefore, angle A plus angle C, we can just highlight the angles over here. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. And in the bracket, you may write opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. That would be your first result. So A plus C, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. Now, it's also a parallelogram. So what can you say about the opposite angles?
They are equal.
They are
equal.
equal. So next write down, but ABCD is also a parallelogram, but ABCD is also a parallelogram. Hence, its opposite angles are equal. That is, hence its opposite angles are equal. That is, angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. That will be your result number 2. Next, you can write down substituting result 2 in 1. Substituting result 2. Specifically, we are substituting angle A is equal to angle C. Here we do not require angle B is equal to angle D. We have just mentioned it because that is a rule for a parallelogram. Okay. Substituting result 2 in 1, we get angle A plus angle A is equal to 180 degrees. Instead of C, we have put angle A because angle A and C are equal. So angle A plus angle A is 180. What does that come up to?
Angle A is equal to
Twice
90
of
degrees.
angle A.
90 degrees.
Twice of angle A is equal to 180 degrees, which implies angle A is equal to 90 degrees. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degrees. ABCD is a parallelogram in which one angle is 90 degrees, which implies ABCD is a rectangle. See, if A is 90, the opposite angle C would be equal. So that will
Yes,
also be 90. Again, ABCD is a parallelogram is given. So we can take the concept of parallel lines and transversal. So that makes angle B and angle C co-interior angles. They are being
Supplementary.
co-interior angles, and hence angle B and C will also be a total of 180. But out of that, C is 90. Because A is 90, C is also 90. That makes B also 90. If B is 90, it will be equal to the opposite angle D. So that will also be 90. So whenever you have to prove that a parallelogram is a rectangle, you only require to prove that one particular angle is 90. You don't have to prove all the angles 90. By default, all the remaining three will also become 90. Is this question clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I stop sharing?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.